I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
So many people, myself included, are so focused on orange pilling normies. Like I was a normie literally until last year, and like what I just love is, just a huge list, but like, thank God for Bitcoin. We had the great pleasure of working with those guys. They're doing an awesome job, like Beef Initiative, big part of me being orange pilled. There's a great documentary coming out called Dirty Coin, being made by like Alana and the Shamri people. I'm literally can go off a full list, BTC trading cards, like, Brandon Gentile, who's like the Mark Moss of education for kids. All of these people that I've been talking to, and I have a giant list because I'm so focused on this orange pilling normies thing, just constantly continues to reinvigorate me and give me more fire because it took me, like Bitcoin's been around for 14 years. Like it took me 14 years to fricking figure it out. And the problem is these fricking things, right? It's like we have a TV in front of our face constantly. We have a screen in front of our face constantly. Like our society has shifted from going outside, scraping knees, like making mistakes, being dumb. Like at the end of the day, whatever you get from your idiot box is what, garbage in, garbage out. If you want to use an engineering or just kind of like a normal adage. Mm-hmm. And so I'm so bullish though that there's such a rising, burgeoning community of like myself and a bunch of other people trying to, work on stuff that's not just for Bitcoiners. I think education is absolutely needed and absolutely is a piece of that. My personal gift, I would say, is not that. I really want to continue to start pushing on the normie button where the normies are, because at the end of the day, where I'm going with this is my mom doesn't care about Bitcoin. My mom doesn't care about Michael Saylor. My mom doesn't care about Ben. My mom doesn't care about Swan. She doesn't care about, Nat Burnell. She doesn't care about all these people who are doing, Odell, kick-ass content. That content, the quality of it, whatever, trust money, all these different amazing things that are really geared towards the Bitcoin community. They're trying to go mainstream, but it's like they're not focused on the aspect of like, I don't care if you understand Bitcoin. I just want to plant the seed. We can't break people out of the matrix. They have to break themselves out. How many people can we get on the life raft before that tipping point where the shit really hits the fan? That's what I'm really, really, really focused on. And that's why I'm so bullish that so many people are looking at the same thing I'm looking at, because at the end of the day, like I just am almost finished with the mandibles, and it's also absolutely freaking terrifying. And I don't want to live in that world, and I want to make sure I can be positive as few people as possible are living in that world.